Cooling sunburn, how to use cold compresses and showers to soothe your skin. Summer is here, and with it comes the risk of sunburn. The good news is that you can soothe your skin with cold compresses and showers. Cold compresses are a quick and easy way to relieve sunburn pain and reduce inflammation. Simply soak a clean cloth in cold water and apply it to the affected area for 15 to 20 minutes at a time. You can also add a cup of apple cider vinegar to the water for added relief. Taking a cool shower is another great way to cool down sunburned skin. Avoid hot water and harsh soaps, as they can further irritate your skin. Instead, use a gentle, fragrance-free soap and cool water to soothe your skin. After your shower, pat your skin dry with a towel and apply aloe vera gel or a moisturizer to help your skin heal. It's also important to stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water and avoiding alcohol and caffeine, as they can dehydrate your skin. In conclusion, if you find yourself with a sunburn this summer, remember to use cold compresses and showers to soothe your skin. With a little bit of care and attention, your sunburn will heal in no time.